Hi, did you just get a premium starter bundle with a diffuser and your 12 oils? Well, guess what? You just purchased an amazing immune support kit. This oil bundle is your wellness kit. So I'm going to go through all the things you got, your oils and your extra goodies in here, and tell you how that can support your body and support your immune system. I'm so excited for you. All right, and afterwards, I'm also going to share a few extra tips that will support your immune system for the season of sickness, right? Okay, so let's start. I have the kit. I opened it up. Remember, right here, you have some great pamphlets and a booklet that can help guide you to use your oils. Let me talk about the oils, though. If you don't use your oils consistently, you probably won't see results. The same like with exercise. If you exercise one day a month, are you going to get many results? Probably not. So I love putting this on the counter with the little holder here and keeping it out so you see it and use it. Here we go. Let's start with Thieves. Thieves is the immune boosting blend. And what you can do with this is make a roller ball with it, dilute it, and apply it on your spine and your feet daily. We like to do it before bedtime and make it a habit. Another thing I love to do with Thieves is make Thieves tea. It tastes delicious. And what you do is just get some warm water in a mug, 1 drop of Thieves and 2 drops or 3 of lemon, a little bit of honey, and there you go. Your whole family can enjoy it. You can also support your immune system by putting Thieves in applesauce, oatmeal. I even like to put it in my coffee, yogurt, anything that you like cinnamon and clove taste with. Let's go to the next one. I talked about lemon. Lemon is a wonderful support for your immune system with antioxidants and vitamin C. Look up D-limonene. It has great benefits for you. So you can put a drop in your water or smoothie, and staying hydrated really helps your immune system too. Okay, lavender. We all love lavender. You know it's calming and it reduces stress. Stress reduces your strong immune system. It hurts it. So make sure you're not stressed. Put some lavender on. Lavender can also calm you down for bedtime, and sleeping is so important for your immune system. But even just applying lavender can help boost your immune system. I like taking a lavender bath. What I do is put 10 drops or so in 2 cups of Epsom salts, get in the bath and pour it in and relax. You can also add lemon or Raven to your bath, and it will be a wellness bath. What I like to do with lavender too, let's say you do get under the weather and get stuffy or congested, it's like a natural antihistamine. I like to put some right directly on the bridge of my nose to help me breathe better, or on my lymph nodes. All right, I love lavender. Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh is similar to lemon. It has all the citrus oils in there and spearmint. So it tastes delicious in your water. Stay hydrated and get that antioxidant and vitamin C support. Digest. Have you heard that your healthy gut health affects your immune system? So have a healthy gut with Digest. I like to put it directly on my stomach. If you have sensitive skin, dilute it first. You can also make a capsule. Young Living sells these by putting some Digest, and probably peppermint would be good in there too, and a tiny bit of a couple drops of a carrier oil, and take that daily. All right, let's talk about peppermint. So many reasons why this is good for your immune system and your wellness. Okay, well, it boosts your immune system. If you have any head tension or stomach ache, digestion, good healthy gut health, you need peppermint. If you do have any congestion or breathing, this really helps your respiratory system and respiratory infections. It's antiviral, antibacterial. If you get a temperature, you can cool down that with peppermint diluted. Remember, when you apply this topically, you need to dilute it because it can irritate your skin. So The last one, all of the ones that we talked about, you can take internally. You can also diffuse them and put them on topically. The last one that you can also take is a vitality oil that you could take internally is frankincense. Oh my gosh, frankincense is amazing for your immune system. Put it on, diffuse it, and take it internally. If you have any chest or congestion, you need frankincense. But just taking it daily, putting a drop in your Ningxia Red or making a capsule is amazing for your immune system. What you can do is get all of the vitality oils, frankincense, peppermint, lavender, lemon, thieves, if you want digize, and make a capsule. Put 1 drop of each into your capsule. And if you can buy these at the through Young Living or online or at a health food store, and then some like olive oil, carrier oil, and then swallow that, taking once or twice a day. I would start with taking it with food just in case to see if it would upset your stomach. That is amazing. Okay, let's talk about the other oils in this kit though. All right, you have Raven. It's a little hard with that child lock on there. It has wintergreen. The ones with wintergreen have a lock on it. Now, just in case you do get under the weather and get congested, use Raven. It's amazing for opening up your airways. Also, staying healthy, a way you can boost your immune system is by exercising. And I love using Raven or peppermint to boost my workout and let me have more endurance and open up my airways. So I like making a spray or putting some on my chest. Panaway. So in case you get those aches and pains, get a little achy with any kind of sickness, you have your Panaway. Again, it has the wintergreen in there too. I also love to drop Raven or Panaway in my shower on the floor, and it helps open up my airways and help me breathe better. It's also great for a wellness bath. So again, get your Epsom salts, pour these in, mix it, get in the tub, and then pour your Epsom salts in there. Enjoy the aroma and soaking with the magnesium in the Epsom salts. Okay, now the last oils are all about your emotions. Valor. It can, oh, I love Valor. I just have to smell it. I love wearing this as a perfume. It just helps my stress levels go down. It grounds me and calms me down. Frankincense can also do that too. But you do not want stress because that cuts down and hurts your immune system and can lead to sickness. So put on your Valor. It also can help you get sleepy at night, so you could diffuse it before bed. And don't forget, the bottom of your kit has so many more goodies, 2 more oils that are great for your emotions and sleep. Stress Away, Peace and Calming. They both can help with stress and sleep. You don't want to have stress and you want lots of sleep to stay well. Now, you also got 2 of these little balls, roller balls, that you can exchange the top on your oil bottle. So you just kind of, I use the lid right here and take that off and then put this right on. And then you could just apply it all the time and roll it on. Then it has a new black lid that would fit it. Okay, what else did you get in here? Did you know the other goodies in your oil premium starter bundle help your immune system? This is the most awesome supplement. It's a liquid supplement, so that means that your body can absorb it quicker with whole food, so it could really get in your body. So Ningxia Red is an amazing, delicious wolfberry puree, kind of like a juice. And it tastes really good, and it helps your immune system, your eye health. It has so many antioxidants. So you got those, and get some more when you run out. It tastes best in the refrigerated, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, you know that clean hands and germs can lead to getting sick, right? So keep your hands, when you can't wash them, clean, germ-free with the Thieves. You got to sample these hand sanitizer. Probably you got these little packets, and I think those are great because you can give them to all your family members, keep one or 2 in the car, your purse and backpack. This is the best hand sanitizer I've ever used because it's nourishing and it has that slight peppermint smell that is so nice, and it doesn't smell like chemicals or synthetic fragrance. I love Thieves Spray. This is your sanitizer that works great and you want to have all the time. So germs are everywhere. We can't see them. So think about shopping carts, your steering wheel, your cell phone, the light switches, the door handles, a menu at a restaurant, or some surface that gets used by a lot of people. You have your spray. So, all right, I think I talked about all the goodies in there. Now, just a few reminders. How do you use these oils to boost your immune system? Diffuse them. Any combination, have fun. Breathe it in. I love diffusing right at bedtime on my bedside table because it's getting into me all night, all 8 hours. Make a wellness capsule, as we talked about. Make a roller ball. Make Thieves tea, Thieves and lemon and honey and water. Make a Be Well spray. Get all of the 1 drop, this is a 10 milliliter little spray bottle. Get 1 drop of Thieves, lemon, frankincense, lavender. You could even stick in citrus fresh and peppermint, and the rest water, and spray several times a day to get those good immune boost in your body. Finally, add your Vitality oils to your beverages, your coffee, your tea, your water, your smoothies, and apply oils like Thieves, lemon, peppermint, even digest on your feet and on your spine daily, several times a day too. And if you happen to get sick, I'm so sorry. It happens to all of us, and use your oils a lot more consistently. You know, they metabolize in your body every 2 to 3 hours. So you could apply or take internally every 2 to 3 hours to really kick that sickness out of your system. All right, I hope this was helpful. I also have just a couple more tips really quickly about if you're interested in really supporting your immune system. Make sure you get enough sleep. Use your oils to help. Make sure you get that blue light off an hour before bedtime. Calm yourself down and try to be stress-free as possible. Say no to some things. Put on your stress away a lot. Have deep breathing. Take deep breaths and have those deep breathing exercises. Be positive and be grateful. Support your gut for a good immune system. You know, Young Living has some amazing probe and prebiotics, Life 9 and Mighty Pro for kids. Also, I love ICP Daily for my gut support. Eat immune boosting foods. Garlic, ginger, leafy greens, broccoli, turmeric. They're also good for you. Sneak vegetables in all your meals, even your breakfast in a smoothie. I love multi-greens powder that Young Living supplement carries. Take immune boosting supplements, Super C Chewable, Super D vitamin, and also I love Inner Defense and ImmuPro, which has zinc and helps you sleep with the melatonin. And use your oils. A few other oils that help your immune system are ImmuPower, oregano, evergreen essence, pine, geranium. Keep active. That helps your immune system. Get outside. Just do something. Go on a walk. Stay hydrated. Drink your water. Put some oils in there to help it taste better if you don't care about that. Make sure you wash your hands and take some wellness baths like I mentioned. One thing we don't think about is the products in our home. Read the labels. How are they? Do you understand what's in it? Non-toxic products are so important for your immune system and your overall health. So Young Living has all the personal care items that you could start ditching and switching with. I hope this was helpful. Please contact me if you have more questions or want to get this bundle if you don't have it. Stay well, friend.